Welcome back to the garage, or welcome to the garage if this is the first video of mine that you've seen. My name is Zane. Today, I'm finally going to take my brown rollback down to the local truck stop and see how much it weighs. They have a scale there, and I've been putting it off for quite a while now, but it's kind of a good idea to see how much the gross vehicle weight of that truck is. So, before I take you down off the camera stand and take you on a short ride along with me, if you would please consider checking out my buddies at Central Oregon Shenanigans in the Fox Shop. Now, both of those channels have helped me out tremendously here on YouTube. I appreciate everything they've done for me, and I'm just trying to help them out as best I can as well. So their channel links will be in the video description below. Check them out. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to them. And when you do, drop down the comment section and tell them Zane sent you. Let me interrupt this video really quick for something that I got in the mail. It's a tool that I've been looking for quite a while, and it's to match one of the other ones that I already have. Now, this box showed up the other day, and it came from Massapequa, I think, if I'm pronouncing that right, New York. So let's cut this open and see what's inside. Wait a minute. New York? Okay, now that the decontamination is over with, if you've been around my channel for a while, you may remember that I picked up a 3/4 drive Proto Light aluminum ratchet a while back. I got this thing from looking dull to nice and shiny, as close to new as I could, and that's exactly the same thing that I'm going to do with this 1-inch drive Proto Light ratchet that I bought just the other day off of eBay. This thing is absolutely massive. It's got quite a few nicks and scratches in it, so in a future video I'm going to go ahead and clean this one up, and hopefully I can make it look just as nice and shiny as the 3/4 drive. So the results are in, and once I deduct mine and my brother's weight from the scale, the truck figures out to weighing 13,640 pounds, which is pretty surprising. For some reason in the back of my mind I was kind of figuring on that truck weighing closer to 15,000 pounds, but I guess it's a little bit better that it weighs less than what I thought than more. But I want to say thanks again for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. It truly means a lot. I didn't get a video out last weekend, and that's mostly because it's been raining for the past week straight. Most of my projects are sitting outside, drenched in rain, and I also switched jobs, so I want to say thanks for hanging with me there until I can kind of get back in the groove of things and get a video out. I think the next video is going to be on Johnny 5. I got quite a few parts ordered for that old truck, so stay tuned for a video on it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment or a question down below, subscribe if this is the kind of content that you're into. And as always, just a friendly reminder that it doesn't matter if you're working on your project in a garage or in your driveway. What matters is that you go out there, you do the job yourself, and you learn more about your project, whatever that project may be. Now that this video is over, how about you go outside and work on something? My name is Zane, and I'll catch you next time.